Hi everybody and welcome back to Active Adventures.
Today we're at the Active Adventures backyard and we're going to be doing some yard work.
Yard work? Yes! I love yard work.
Why do you love yard work so much?
Because I get to use heavy machines.
Heavy machines? I'm talking about lawn mowing, whippersnippering, hedging.
Yeah, me too. But just wait till you see my heavy machines.
Well, it sounds like Brendan's ready. I'm ready. So, let's go on an adventure. We're here in the Active Adventures backyard and we're getting ready to mow the lawn.
Now, it was such a hot spring day today that we've decided to do it in the early evening when it's a bit cooler.
Yeah, by doing that we make sure we don't get sunburnt during the day, we don't have to wear a hat and we can stay nice and cool while we work hard in the yard.
So the first thing we're going to do is mow the lawn. So Trav, why don't you tell everyone at home what's so special about your mower?
Gladly. See, I love my mower here because it's actually a battery operated mower, so it doesn't run on petrol. It's actually even self-propelled, so it can go without me even pushing it. And Brendan, I'll get you to pull it up. And for those boys and girls at home, you never want to touch these, but these are the blades that spin around really quickly and give the grass a trim. So Brendan, that's my lawnmower. How about you take everyone through yours?
Happily! This is my lawnmower. And the features of this mower are, it's a lovely green colour, which matches the grass. That's always a win. But my favourite thing about this mower is how loud it is. Wait for me to start it up. I'll just turn it off for now.
Yeah, good thing to turn it off for now. So, I've got my lawnmower ready. Brendan's got his. So, let's do some lawn mowing.
Let's mow.
We're taking a quick break right now because as I mow, all of the grass I cut actually goes in here. It's called a grass catcher. It's where all the cuttings go after it's been cut off. Now I'm going to store these in my wheelbarrow. That way I can access them later and use them for mulch on my garden. Now that the catcher's empty, I'll reattach it and keep mowing. You ready to keep going?
Yes.
Let's do it. Even though the sun's slightly going down, it's still really hot when you're mowing up and back. So I'm going to make sure I'm hydrated and go get a drink. Hey Brendan, do you want me to get you a glass of water?
What did you say, Trav?
It seems like he doesn't need one, but I do. I'll be back.
The catch is pretty full. I might empty it for Trav. Whoops. What can I do? What can I do? I know. You'll never know. Look at this. I wonder how he started it.
Oh, Brendan, what happened? What happened?
Oh, your lawnmower. It just turned on, so I thought it would help.
Well, whatever you did, it certainly worked. we're finished mowing the lawn. We can now trim the edges.
Yes, let's do that.
Let's do it. Now that our lawn is neat and clean, it's time to trim the edges.
And to do that, you need a whippersnipper. Come here, I'll show you what mine's got. It's got a cord here which you pull, give a couple of yanks, then this button here makes the blades spin around, and check this out. Yeah, now that's what I'm talking about.
Well, how about I take you through mine now, Brendan? So like my lawnmower, this is battery operated. So while normally you need ear protection, with this one, it's quiet as a mouse, so you don't need it at all. This is the battery where the energy is stored, and at the end, we have our blades. That is what spins around and trims the grass. So, how about we get started?
Let's get started.
Let's get started.
Hey Trav, my whippersnipper doesn't seem to be working. Can I pick up yours?
Yeah, of course you can, Brendan. How about I take you through the safety instructions first?
I don't know, do I need them?
Well, you should, but you can find out as you go along, or you might need some protective clothing. I'll go get the hedger ready for our next job.
Yeah! Ow! 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 I know.
Now that Brendan's done such a good job with the whippersnipper, we've moved to the front yard to trim the hedges.
And to do that, we're going to use this machine called a hedger. Come have a look at mine. So, the features of this are, it's got a ripcord. Give that a couple of pulls. Then down here's the power button. Now watch what happens when I pull the power button. Those hedges are going to be no match for me.
And as for mine, I've taken the protective cover off, and again, it's a battery-powered hedger, so I don't need a cord. You could call it the ultimate haircut. Are we ready to get started?
I'm ready to get started.
I'll take the front, you take the side. Let's go.
It's just not cutting it. Hang on. Trav said it was like a haircut. Wait there.
Brendan, the hedges are meant to be all the same size.
Hang on, hang on. Perfect.
Oh, Brendan. Now that our hedges are neat and even, it's time for us to do the final job, blow down the paths. For that, I've got my leaf blower.
And I've got my leaf blower.
As before, as you can see, I've got a battery-operated leaf blower. That way, I don't have cords dragging behind me as I go. What about your blower, Brendan?
Well, mine's red. And red's fast, and red's powerful, and check this out. See it pushing my hair?
Well, how about we get started?
Let's get started.
Let's go.
Hey Trav, can I have a go of yours? Mine doesn't seem to work too well.
Sure, Brendan, just remember, it's powerful.
Powerful? What's powerful about this thing? Whoa!
Thanks for joining us today on another Active Adventures. We've had such a fun time doing some yard work in the Active Adventures house. And just in time because it's getting dark. What have we done today? We've mowed the lawn, used the wheelbarrow, trimmed the edges and the hedges. Well, that's all we've got time for today. Brendan's putting away the lawnmower so we can go inside and have a good night's sleep.
Oh, Trav, it's happening again! Help!
Well, I'll go help Brendan. Make sure you hit like and subscribe for our next Active Adventure. Brendan!